Go to mommy. Can you go to mommy? Yes. Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Where are you going? Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Look.
No.
No.
Go to mommy.
No.
Yes. Yes. Get your head off there. Hey. Go to mommy. Go mommy.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. What are you doing? What are you trying to do? Please stop.
No.
Go to mommy.
Emma.
I know you want up, but I have to go in my room.
No. I'm going.
No, you're not going to go in my room. You go mommy. Go to mommy.
No. Wait.
Yes, wait.
Wait.
No, wait.
Yeah.
No, you wait by going to mommy. You go to mommy right now. Can you go to mommy?
No.
Yes. Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Hey, Emmy. No. 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 Oh, that's not nice. I was trying to play with you. Hey, say no. Yes. No. Yes. Okay, this is cool. Okay, can I go potty first? No. I can't do that and go poopy. Yeah, I know. Where are you going? Oh, you go to mommy then. Go, mommy! No, you can't go with me. Ugh. Where did Emmy go? Oh, there's Emmy. Oh, you know that the door is open now. You're like, oh, I can go in here. Come on, Emmy. Go to mommy. Yes. Go to mommy. Go to your mommy now. Yes. 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 Uh-huh.
Yes.
Go to mommy. Thank you, mommy. Can I have a kiss?